Hello guys, welcome to the world of GlamGirlz. Today I'm gonna do a skincare video on how to do a salon style perfect manicure at home. In this video, I have given you the fundamental instructions and 9 major tips that will lead to a perfect salon style manicure. This will give you a healthy, strong and aesthetically perfect appearance you can get with all natural ingredients which you will find in your own kitchen. So, let's get into the video. To get started, the first step is to remove your nail polish. I think most of the people do not prefer 100% acetone, so that you may select as your own preference. Take the nail polish remover on a cotton ball and place it on the nail for a couple of seconds, and then swipe it off outwards, so that you make sure your nail polish is removed 100%. Don't worry about the damage happens due to the nail polish remover, as your nails gonna get a perfect hydration at the end of the manicure. Here I have not applied any nail polishes, therefore I have to skip this step from my manicure routine. Make sure you sanitize all your manicure tools before and after so that you will not get the risk of contamination. We need to soak our hands in lukewarm water. Take a bowl and add the required amount of lukewarm water and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of a mild shampoo or baby wash, and squeeze a half a lemon or lime. Make sure you soak your full hands up to the elbows. This will really help to relax the nails, get ready to be painted, and also to rehydrate your nails that just seriously dehydrated with the acetones. Brush your nails using a soft bristle brush. Do not cut your cuticles, instead push your cuticles using a rosewood stick or a soft cuticle pusher, so that you will not end up in messy cuticles or any infections when the cuticles grow. Cut your nails according to your preference of any shapes you would. Filing back and forth may damage your nails, causing micro cracks and make your nails edge uneven, so that make sure you file your nails to one direction. Take out your hands and wipe using a clean towel. And then again, I'm gonna soak my hands in lukewarm water. To that, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of milk and squeeze half a lemon. Soak for about 5 to 10 minutes and then clean it with a tissue. Hand scrub is a specific nail treatment for hand care routines. This will help you to remove any impurity or dead cell collections and give the skin a new, more clear, bright and pure fresh appearance. To make the scrub, you'll need 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half lime, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix all of them together and make a thick paste. Hand mask is also a necessary treatment that will hydrate and emollient. This will ensure to a rejuvenated and perfectly hydrated appearance. To prepare the hand mask, you will need all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons, a pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of lime, 1 teaspoon of honey, and milk to mix. Apply a thick layer of the mask and keep it around 10 to 15 minutes so that its active principles act efficaciously. Our next step will be applying a nourishing treatment to our nails as well as our hands. To the nourishing nail treatment, we will need half teaspoons of Vaseline petroleum jelly and 2 caps of vitamin E. Mix both together and apply on your nails and gently massage around your nails. This will really help to stimulate your nails to grow healthier and stronger. Then comes the moisturizer. Apply a good moisturizer on your hands and give it a nice gentle massage. If you want to make your own moisturizer, I will drop the link in my description box below, and you can check it out. my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you find it useful, please do share with your friends and family. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time in another useful video. Until then, take care.